Hello guys, how to reach India's top 1%? Actually, the fact is 90% of the people are addicted to mobile phones. Their dopamine level is so high that they can't do small work also. The real competition exists between you and the top 10%. You want to compete with them. You want to surpass your boundaries. You want to break your boundaries. You want to compete with this 10% only. If you compete with this 10%, you can get success. This is the real formula. Actually, top 1% are didn't waste their time. They will invest their time with the pure hard work and luck. You can't reach India's top 1%. Actually, the top 1% didn't focus on money. Money is chasing them. They created the system. When they are also sleeping, they will earn money. Top 1% are breaking this. Go to school, get good grades, get high impression, get confidence, get good job, get success and early retirement. This is the applying by Indians. The top 1% is breaking these. The top 1% didn't depend on one income source. They depend on many income sources. If one fails, other will work out for them. It is good to earn 1 rupee from 100 places rather than 100 rupee from one place. It is absolutely right. This society made us how to save money, not how to create money or how to invest money. This society created like this how to get job but not how to create a job. The system need to change. The system had made us purely on safety, not how to get success. Person didn't work harder. They created a system. Through the system, others will work for them, not them. This is purely a mindset. Not born in top 1%. Your father isn't a billionaire. Didn't have any degrees. These are the real weapons for you to get success and show others what you made of. Copywriting, freelancing, UI, public speaking, sales. These are the very fantastic businesses, but you can't get money instantly. You need not required any boss. You did not work under someone. Someone will work under you. This is a great opportunity. Top 1%. You need burning desire to get success. You need sacrifice something. You need absolute mindset. Through this mindset, you can achieve anything. Mindset is the biggest asset of top 1% people. They will think 10 days or 10 years ahead. They didn't depend on present generation. If you are watching till the end, please like and subscribe guys. Your support is my motivation. I will make beautiful videos like these. Motivational videos, you can't reach India's top 1%. Motivational videos are just a trash. What need to be done? You need to take action. Small steps today will be the bigger stones tomorrow. For example, if you want to get 100 push-ups, you can't do it in one day. First day 1, you need to do 1 push-up. Day 3, 3 push-ups. Seems like this will go on. One day you will get 100 push-ups. The real success is this. You need not be worried about your others. You need to worry about yourself. This is the biggest formula to get success. Nobody come and save you. You need to go on your own way. Nobody will push on your path. You need to go on your path and attain success and reach the top 1%. It's the main agenda of you. Never concern about others. In business, it may utter flop you. Think of yourself. Invest yourself. Be a greatest legend of all time era. Thank you, my dear friend.